Hi, this is Consuelo Dobbs, back with another video. And as you saw in the title, it said PowerLead System versus CashNow Funnel. And we're going to address that here in a minute, but first and foremost, this is the login to the PowerLead System, but we're going to pull up to the Facebook group, the PowerLead System Facebook group, for a minute first. I'm going to click over and go into the group real quick. Check out some things. Wow, 4 major PLS announcements coming very soon. Your current view of PLS is about to be shaken. People, I just logged in and saw this. Okay. You're going to want to check this out. And you're going to want to get into this because I know they're always doing things to improve the system, and I'm very excited. And as you can see, some members, sounds exciting. Hey, I am too. Oh, that sounds like something's about to go down. Oh, yes. I can do that. I can post that. That is exciting. I've been here for over 10 years. I'll be here another 10 with no worries. Let's go. That's another one of our team leaders. And this is Ace Rich, another one of our team trainers. You know, and this is why I focus on this particular program so much, because this program is just awesome. The team leaders are top notch, top tier. You know, and so I'm not you know, people can ask why I'm so committed to this, but this is it. But let me move this down some. There we go. Better view. Okay. We're gonna adjust here. And this is Ace and Rich. There are team leaders, and they do the fast start training. We're just gonna go on down, check out some things, but right off the bat, that's great. I love the story about Sally and Charlie. That's the story that Ace and Rich use as a metaphor to basically just say pick which one you want to be, you know, Sally or Charlie. But that's in the fast start training. Here's another leader. You know, he's giving more. See, we have team leaders who are always, you know, giving great value and great advice. Here's Rob Frazier saying, every time I upload a YouTube video, the next day I create a YouTube short from that same video. I did that too. I did that just the other day. I posted the $500 Days video by Neil Guest, and then I used the intro, the beginning of that. I added the little, you know, the television program interrupter, you know, that we used to have back in the old days. You know, the beat, and then go into his video. Neat. And I made a short with it, so you can always do that. So I'm gonna look into start doing that. I don't want to get redundant with it, but I'm gonna start doing that too, because, you know. And that's it. A lot of it is just wash, rinse, and repeat. You know, day 1, do a long form YouTube video. Day 2, do a YouTube short, TikTok. And day 2, day 3, do a Facebook IG reel. So yeah, a lot of your shorts, they could go over a lot of your reels. You can post them on Facebook. You can post it on Instagram. You can post it on YouTube. You can post. I mean, it's just, you know, you could go all across the board. So people, you know, think this is very hard, but it's not. You just have to be committed and consistent. That's the key. Our team leaders. Okay. More inspiration from some of our members here. You know, Mr. Neil Guest, he's always, you know, he's like, I'll pass this on to Brian, whatever the issue, we'll get it fixed right away, because he has an issue with the Power VIP Club section. which is available to certain members at a certain level. Love Sean. He's a, this person is asking when is the next training section, which is important. You have to be plugged into the trainings. Wow, got 2 gold members today. So see, at any time I can come in here and see the success and get value. Rob is always providing value. As a lot of other people too. I love Rob, Sean. Look at that. Oh, wow. I must say that the Cash Now funnel is one powerful funnel to use. Get as much visitors to the opt-in page. Let the list grow. Some have signed up instantly. Some after a few follow-up emails. Whatever, keep eyeballs on the capture page. Build the list. Engage the list. Frank did a good job. Did good work in presenting PLS in the sales pages of the Cash Now funnel. It has been amazing for me. In just a month, I have gotten over 20 gold members through the funnel. So that lets you know the Cash Now funnel works. And that leads us to, showing how we're saying Cash Now funnel versus Power Lead system. They're one and the same. They're the same thing. It's no competition. Hey, sounds cute for a title, but they're one and the same. So we're just going to pop in real quick. I'm going to go to websites. And this is where all your websites are. If you want to, here you can choose which domain to assign to a certain website you want to use, and then this setting here is become a prospect for what I want, or a free lead system member. But I just want to show you, here is this is the Cash Now funnel right here that I loaded into my back office per the instructions given in the training. And these are all your other websites. These are the ones I loaded by share code. Yeah, shared choices. So those are loaded by share code. But as you can see, here's all the Cash Now funnel. These are the lead capture pages, by the Cash Now funnel. So Cash Now funnel is hosted by Power Lead system. So, there is no difference or anything. And a lot of people want to know, because they, probably think it's 2 different programs. No, it's the same program. Cash Now funnel is a funnel within the Power Lead system that helps you promote it, much better. It gives the prospect a 14-day trial. They get 2 weeks to pop the hood, see what's underneath, and then make a decision, But there's only one step you're going to have to really focus on, and that is to drive traffic to the Power Lead system lead capture page. And if I move on down, I can find the regular sales page. That's probably the sales page that's in the, and this is okay. $100 generic lead capture. Okay, these are some that I created. Whenever I want to do updates, I just put a video on one of the pages and send it to my list. That's another way to create value. But this is the lead Cash Now funnel sales page. It's up here. It's not down there with the preloaded ones, but okay. Sales funnels created for you. So this is where the Cash Now funnel pages are. See, if I click on that, and this is what the prospect sees. Yeah, I understand. You always have to confirm before you see it. That's the lead capture page. Now, if I were to enter my email, I would see the sales page. And after they enter their email, they'll get this page right here. This is the page that they'll get. So I mean, it's very neat. It's all laid out for you. You don't have to do a whole lot of guesswork. You don't have to do a whole lot of guesswork. You know, you just plug into the system and drive traffic to, okay, here's the sales page right here in the system itself. There it is. So all your shared pages are going to be under share codes. And there it is. So the Cash Now funnel and Power Lead system are one and the same. They're not separate. They're the same thing. You just go on the websites, you know. Then what I can do is I can go under my web pages, and this shows all the web pages that I have. And here's all my Cash Now funnel pages right here. Easy. There's the sales page with the three steps, but you know, it starts at the front page that you just seen. And here are all your step pages if you want to send your prospects to a certain step process in the funnel. So, you know, it's just really neat, easy system, and I guess we can just gear up and get ready for some more exciting things. I mean, I don't see, you know, they're always improving on the system, so I am very excited, and thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. Click the link in the description if you want to find out more, or join, and we'll be glad to have you. And now is a great time to join, as you can see. So have a great one, and until next video.